Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you actually have the stabilizer gadget and the unlocking condition met. Once done, open your inventory and assign it to a quick-use slot so you can deploy fast in the field. Make sure your character has any required materials or a minimum resin if the gadget consumes resources. While equipping, note control mappings for your platform. This saves reaction time. Once equipped, practice a single deployment in a safe area to confirm animation and cooldown behavior before tackling combat or puzzle use. You deploy the stabilizer by targeting where you want its effect, aiming with your crosshair or camera. Once aimed, activate at the start of an enemy sequence or during a puzzle phase for precise results. Make sure to position yourself so the gadget has clear line of effect. Once activated, observe the direction indicator and charge level to adapt your movement. If it has interactive modules, cycle options quickly and confirm the active mode. Practice chaining uses with sprint or dodge to maintain mobility while the stabilizer runs its cycle. You finish use by returning to town or a safe camp and upgrading the stabilizer through the enhancement menu to reduce cooldowns or increase output. Once upgraded, re-equip and verify bindings so you don't lose hotkey access. If the device behaves oddly, first save and restart the game, then rebind controls and test again. If problems persist, clear temporary cache or reacquire the gadget from its source. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm you meet any level or quest prerequisites, because missing requirements often silently disable gadget functions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.